Hello everyone, this is Lohita. So our topic for today is how to build a resume. So first of all, you have to know that the resume shouldn't be too lengthy or too short because the interviewer who takes your interview, he will go through like some thousands, hundreds, thousands of resumes. So he will take like 6 to 7 seconds to look into it. So to make your resume noticeable, you have to put some efforts. So coming to the resume structure, first of all you have to put your name, then your full name, then under that you have to put a professional title like professional phrases, for example mentor, problem solver, innovator and so on. Then you have to put your contact information, your phone number, then email ID and social media IDs like LinkedIn, Instagram ID and etc. Then things which you do not mention in the resume are marital status, date of birth, photo, religious affiliation. These are the unnecessary information which take up space in the resume. So then you have to put your experience. So first of all, you have to put your current job and then you have to go backwards and put your old job status. You have to mention your company name. Beside that, you have to put the location and the time period you have worked in and be specific in keeping your achievements. Then comes education. You have to put your last degree if your experience for like over 3 to 4 years and so on. Just keeping your last degree is enough if you are an experienced person. Then you have to put your skills. You have to remember that you have to put the skills which are required for the company, which are mentioned in the job description. Then lastly, in the additional section, you can keep your award certifications, patents or publications and anything you have. So for a fresher, everything is same, but except the experience you put, because you do not have any experience because you are a fresher and not an experienced person. So you can put up the mini projects you have worked on or the internships or any part-time work. Then finally, in the additional section, you can put your blogs or college content or any competitive exams you have.